What's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today, as you can tell, it is now nighttime and we are going to be hopping right up into the M2. I'm going to make this short and sweet. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the recent support on all the videos. I finally came back to the YouTube grind and it's going really well. We are currently at 961 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that, and I'm going to continue dropping all this good content for you guys. But with that being said, just hopping up into it, we are going to be sliding the M2 tonight because it is raining. And yeah, pretty much there's nothing done to the M2 other than just lowering springs, but no performance mods. It is completely stock and it's just on some hand cooks on the back. So other than that, there's nothing done to it. But yeah, man, this is what the car's looking like, and yeah, let's go make this thing happen. All right, you guys, we are on our way to a nice little parking lot. I'm gonna slide around a little bit because it's finally raining in New Jersey. We've been having a drought. It's been wildfires here and everything like that. And yeah, I just kind of want to go swing around a little bit, bro. Have a little bit of fun. So I'm gonna just turn the lights off for right now. I'll get all the displays looking right and whatnot. Some good vibes out here in the rain though. I genuinely like the rain, I can't lie. Might sound crazy, but I do. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna get a few pictures here too because I really like this spot. Oh, I used to scrape here with my lip, but I don't have my lip on anymore. Oh my God, dude, that one was bad. Let's see what it's talking about here, man. I gotta just see what I'm rocking with first, you know what I'm saying? Oh, we were gripping to the left.
That was crazy.
Bro, I'm telling you, it's that wheel practice, man.
Nah, that boy was trying to set a torso like crazy.
All right, as you guys see, we were just sliding this motherfucker. I'm definitely getting a lot more comfortable with sliding this thing. It's just a matter of practice, and I've been practicing on the wheel on Assetto Corsa. And that shit's been putting in some fucking work, bro, no cap. So yeah, bro, that shit is fire.
Road is dope, smoke and toke. Southside of the water in a joke. I chop green and I'm letting it go. My nigga put faith in the kitchen stove. If it ain't about bread, don't call my phone. If it ain't about progress, leave me alone. I done it with gang and I done it alone. Niggas know my thing, boo boo back to the bone. Don't make bro hop out the whip. I'm hitting it right now, she getting thick. I know you like that toxic shit. LV bag outfit from Vinted. Violation, I can't take that. Need that Virgil upload me back.
Alright, we're sliding this motherfucker again. I'm gonna leave my side window open right now. No cap.
pusher straight smell like motherfucking. That's that rubber pack, boy. Nah.
Nah, we were gripping like crazy, bro.
Oh,
Yo, figure eights of hell. Fuck you talking about? Yo.
That rubber pack, boy.
Yeah, no, that one was burning rubber. All right, we're gonna head over to another spot because I think I burned out this spot. This parking lot's already drying up a little bit. I didn't really get out of the car and check before. So with that being said, we're gonna go to another spot that has a smoother parking lot, probably more water and stuff, but in the meantime, we're gonna be cruising. We of course got Dusty right there. Anyway, this is what the vibe is. We got the pink lights going on in the car right now. I'll show you guys. This is kind of the vibe, like when you're just chilling, vibing. And then, yeah, we got the nice sports display. It's in M2 mode, which my M2 mode, I got two modes. You hit M1 and it just puts you in traction on automatic mode. Then you go M2 and it turns off DSC, turns off everything and puts it in manual mode. This car drives very comfortable in the rain, I'm not gonna lie. It handles so well. Out of every car I've been in, this car, even on non-good rain tires, does really good. These tires happen to be pretty good in the rain, so this thing does try to grip up pretty well. But for the most part, it does just allow you to slide when you want because it's 460 horsepower. That is a boosted motor. So like the boost automatically just makes that bitch more torquey, I feel like. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like I got some sense to what I'm saying. Dude, I just like went full blind from the fucking defrosters. There's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop. I'm getting a cop on KA band, bro.
Alright.
Just hold up.
Let's just act like we're taking pictures.
Yeah. Park up over here. I just saw him go that way. I just saw a Charger go that way.
You think it was him?
Yeah, I think it was him. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. It's private property anyway. They don't own it.
I done it with gang and I done it alone. Niggas know my thing, boo boo back to the bone.
I'm tagging up green till my fingers sticky. I'm outside with my blicky. Run up on me and it will get tricky. I'm trying to double up racks, make bread. If it doesn't make sense, then I'm hanging up quickly. Back then, 2 man, linging this jilly. Thing that I'm lacking, don't be silly. 24/7, I keep this with me. Build this spliff, there's Cali, not corkies. Hit shots by the bookies. Rap don't work, then I'm running in goodies. Stick man up, well, where's the goodies? My guy's fully live, no, he ain't no rookies.
Damn, that shit sound pretty nasty, bro.
Turbo sound stupid.
Yeah, alright, you guys, as you can see, I'm editing the video right now. And yes, I know it is a super abrupt end to the video, but I can explain. Me and my boy just decided to go home because it was starting to get a little bit late. Like right now, it is currently 3:14 in the morning. Are you crazy? But I'm up editing this so I can upload this for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit the sub button, like button. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. And also put all your friends and family onto this channel, man, because we're going to keep growing. I promise you. With that being said, thank you guys so much for all the recent support. I'm going to catch y'all soon. Take it easy. Peace.
No way I can't stop right now. Progression's the essence, compressing my weapon. They run up, I'm putting them down.